Yeah, Charlotte, I said there
Yes.
is also one task on the dashboard. So
Okay.
that dashboard, must we all accomplish everything up to 100%? Oh, because I can see
You,
I'm reading almost 70 something percent now. So I have to open each and every one and read it, even though I can see I am done with all those activities that I'm seeing now on the dashboard. But do I have to go through again so that my dashboard will read 100%, or is there anything one
okay.
have to do? Yes.
Almost a good question. Each time your dashboard is not 100%, it means that there is a resource that has been added. And one thing I've always said is, after each of the sessions that we have, and we have sessions every day. Yesterday we had the experience sharing session. On Monday we had the general assembly. So each time we have any of these sessions, there is the recording added to your dashboard, and each time a single recording, each time a single resource is added to your dashboard and you have not marked it complete, it reduces your percentage. But the most important thing is for you to be sure that you have completed all the deliverables for the course. And the talk about deliverables in terms of this exercise, it is your situation analysis and everything is happening in Peergrade. So if you feel that you like seeing 100%, then you may have to go through each and every source, everything that's been added, and mark complete. That way you'll be satisfied. You will get the satisfaction that you have gone through everything. It does not penalize you in any way. Does that answer your question?
Yes, yes, yes. It answered my question, Charlotte.
All right, that's great. So thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we are going to start. And hello, everyone. If you're just joining us, warm welcome to you. We are here today. It's our 11th session for this full learning cycle of the Movement for Immunization Agenda 2030. And the exercise is situation analysis. This is the very first exercise of the full learning cycle. And we started this 4 weeks ago. And this week, you have one goal, you have one task, is to revise your situation analysis and submit the final version. And for you to do so, how do you revise that is your situation analysis? How, first and foremost, you need to go to Peergrade and react to peer feedback that you received. And even if you reach only out of 3 or just make use of that feedback. Also make use of what you learned by peer reviewing the works of others, and use that to improve your situation analysis, because it is the improved version that is going to be accepted. Different. You know that you don't have to wait till the last minute to rush and submit the same thing or almost the same thing that you did for the initial version. There has to be improvement. So it's important that you identify specific points that you need to work. And solve the question. It's not just about certification. It's not just a pedagogic exercise. It's about you asking yourself, how can this situation analysis help me to tackle my challenge? That challenge that you identified at the beginning as being the most important challenge. Sorry, I got disconnected, but I'm back now. I see your hand is raised. I'll be coming a moment because I actually got disconnected. But so as I was saying, that what you really have to focus on in this week, that is by Friday, is how you all your situation analysis so that it will help you to tackle that immunization challenge that you are facing. Then the final you'll do is to submit your final version on a Peergrade before Friday. Apologies, everyone. I got disconnected again. That's the trouble I'm facing. That's what I'm facing today. Having really connectivity. My city and and I am happy that Daniel has volunteered to be my backup. That's why each time I get disconnected, still continue. So as I was saying, and please, if you're having any challenge, go ahead and type your challenge in the chat. If you're having any challenge as far or any questions as far as the revising your situation analysis is concerned, please use the chat function to type your chat. That way, those peers that are in the room, colleagues in the room, can help with that challenge. They'll go ahead and respond to you. Okay, so I'm back and I am back. Apologies again. I'm trying my best to see how we can actually continue this session without all of these multiple interruptions. It's Miraban Shah that says we are also facing connectivity issues. So maybe it's a global problem today. I don't know, but it's really a huge problem for me. And I'm trying to see if I can connect on another device so that if I get a disruption on my computer, at least I will not lose the room. I'll still be with you, but the connectivity is affecting all of the networks that I'm using. So it's a huge concern. So right now I'm going to put up I am back in. I'm leaving a message, but I'm back again. So I was just putting up this on the screen, and I'm going to make some more people co-host. So Ikram Hamid, I see your hand is raised. Olivia Abuaki, I see is also raised. Please go ahead and unmute yourself so that you can share your comments with us. Let's see if we can get to solve that.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello.
Afternoon.
Hi, yes,
Yes,
please. I'm Olivia from Ghana. My problem is about the React. After the review of the other three colleagues' own, we are supposed to go to the React and then we give feedback to whatever our colleagues have done for us, so that we use that to improve our situation analysis and then submit the final one. But mine, there's none, not even one person reviewed my work, though I was able to review the three. I don't know if because of late submission. So I don't know if I can go on still improve on my situation analysis and submit the final one, or I don't know what to do. Because if I go there, he said that I have nothing to do.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Olivia. That's a great question. To provide the answer yourself. So you have not yet received any peer reviews. It's probably because, as you said yourself, submission.
Mm-hmm.
So what I would advise you to do is, if you have completed peer reviews, you've learned something. You surely learned something by reviewing the works of others, especially as you use the rubric to do the peer reviews. So what I advise you to do is go ahead and revise
Okay.
situation analysis. Is that okay?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh, you're
Hello.
welcome. It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Olivia. So now I'm inviting Ikram. I don't know if you're able to hear me. I'm inviting
Hello.
Ikram to unmute.
Hello. 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 Hello.
And I
Hello.
see everyone, there's Tawasi or Rodriguez. Yes, yes, Olivia. Yes, Olivia. Yes, Olivia. Can you hear you, Olivia?
Please, I saw something. Yes,
So
please. I saw that you wanted me to talk, and I don't know.
Yes, Olivia, go ahead. No, it's okay. It's okay. I was asking another person to unmute, Ikram Hamid. Okay, Syed.
Yes.
Yeah, earlier on, I was just asking if you were able to hear me.
Yes, you are clear, and your sound is coming, Charlotte. Hello.
Pardon? Yes. Okay, I see there is Kenneth that left a comment in the chat. Kenneth, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself. I hope so that I can understand better what your concern is. Kenneth, I'm asking you to unmute. And I see there is also Mohammed, I see you have come on, and earlier on you unmute yourself. So do you have anything you'd like to share with us? So I'm just going to quickly go through now that I am able to use steps for you to meet the situation analysis, the same thing as the initial version. You just need to click on submit. You actually see that on Peergrade. But remember, we said today you're going to receive a mail. So today you're going to receive a mail. You receive a mail from us asking you I think the most important thing that to highlight for today is the link that you should fill a feedback episode. So, and once you create, the next thing you have to do is you'll be able to submit the final version of your situation analysis on Peergrade. So these are the a couple of minutes that are the most important for this session today. Seeing that I'm having serious issues of connectivity, the most important thing you have to take note of today is you're going to receive a link by mail. Number one, for you to fill the questionnaire. And remember, we're doing a Monday's General Assembly. And secondly, to submit your situation analysis. Once you receive you fill the questionnaire, once you fill the questionnaire, you should be able to submit your on the improved version of your situation analysis. And what will happen at this? So it is those who have remember that questionnaire becomes a certification requirement. So it's important for you to questionnaire and submit or the final version, sorry, of situation analysis. Only those who have submitted the questionnaire and the final version of the situation analysis receive size. Very important. What you take note of is make sure that you're using template. Make sure that you're using the template. Submit this template, and that the template is filled. So So I was just saying that some people made the mistake last time and submitted an empty template. So make sure that when you have submitted, you have verified that you have filled the template, there is a title, and that the document submit is the improved. It's very, very important. Take note of that. That said, I don't know if any other questions. A session has really been hugely disturbed by the issues of connectivity that we're having, and so we have not been able to listen to you. One thing I'd like you to take note of is that before two things to do, going to receive asking a one complete questionnaire, needing information and all of that. The announcement is actually okay. So I was saying that that the first thing you really need to do to the questionnaire that you are going to, the link is going to be shared. Once you get them, make sure that you complete that, and then improve your situation, and then you can go ahead and submit it on Peergrade. Remember that the deadline for so make sure you do everything to submit, and the information will be asking of you in the questionnaire is about your situation analysis, about your challenge, about the question, about your key findings, and also about immunization coverage, Penta 1, Penta 3, MCV 1, MCV 2. In your context, what you can tell us about those, about your target population. It is for you to provide the information that you know, to the best of your knowledge. If you don't have, that you don't have information. But as I said earlier, one thing you take note of is that that questionnaire, it becomes a certification requirement, as well as submitting the final improved version of your situation analysis. That said, I don't know if we can try to see. I will try to see last time if we can listen to anyone. Go ahead and unmute yourself. I'm allowing all participants. See your hand is raised. Please go ahead and unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah,
Afternoon, Ikram.
yeah, good afternoon and good evening. Yeah, I'm having a difficulty. Actually, the thing is, with the movement life learning cycle, I have received the React, I mean the feedback and React also. But I haven't got any email regarding this the correction one and the questionnaire.
I will say, Ikram, that you're going to the mail. The mail has not yet gone out. It's out before the end of today. So sometime this evening you're going to receive it. So you can mail tomorrow for that. But
Yeah,
meanwhile, you can continue to work on your situation analysis on the final version.
Yeah. But there is one more thing actually. I have actually in my email, I've got a private email with the Peergrade. Before I have opened for the user, but I just got the email says that I didn't complete my initial version of situational analysis also. I don't know why it's the email came to me, but even I have completed everything, even submission and react also.
You have, because today we have checked the update on Peergrade that allows you to complete the final version. Take a look at the mail that you see, Ikram, to see if it's not telling you instead about the final version of your situation analysis.
No, not the final one, the initial one. It says like submit.
Okay, I'm trying to check in Peergrade, but I'm having issues, unfortunately. So Peergrade is responding for me now, but I will try to take a look afterwards. But if you are certain that you own everything, you don't have any to worry.
Okay.
Yeah, so just look out for the you to complete the final version of your situation analysis. Is that okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. So I just want to make an announcement before I get disconnected again, because it's very important. Tomorrow we are going to be having our final sharing session, and it's going to be a special zero dose children and zero dose and zero dose communities. So please, if you have not yet registered for this for tomorrow's session at 12 at noon Geneva time tomorrow, please go ahead and do so. We are going to be having Ian Jones from our team that will be so please. I was saying, and I've shared the registration link in the chat. So tomorrow is going to be our last and final sharing session for this exercise on situation analysis. So I hope please do join us tomorrow for this very important session. It's going to be a special session on the zero dose challenge. So join us tomorrow, and I've shared the registration link in the chat. Let me just share that again, the registration link in the chat, and join us tomorrow at noon at 12 o'clock Geneva time for this special session on zero dose challenge. even if you're not facing the zero dose challenge, but you may have experience, you may be doing something in your country that is helping to handle this. So come and share your facing this tomorrow, and please do join us. Also, we'll be having our final technical support session on Friday at 1:30 p.m. Geneva time. So I know today's technical support session has just not been very I want to invite you to join us on Friday for our final technical support session for this particular exercise. Share the link on the chat. And while I share that, I'm going to be saying, okay, yeah, I see a Raban that says that I should explain again concerning the questionnaire which will be shared today. So Meraban, I'll just refer you to Telegram. Let me see if I can share my screen on Telegram for the announcement. Let me go to the announcement channel. There is this message that was shared today talking about the questionnaire. So let me just share the I'll refer you to this link that I've shared in the chat. It's on Telegram. Please go ahead. Yes, my connect. We are having a general problem in ITC, so it's no fault of mine. There's nothing I can do about it. But what I'm saying is, click on the link that I've just shared in the chat to get all the explanation that you need concerning the questionnaire. So please go ahead and click on the link in the chat to get all the information that you need concerning the questionnaire. So that said, I think we are going to call it quits for today's session. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for the experience sharing sessions. So please go ahead and register for this session and join Ian Jones, Francois Gas, and myself for this experience sharing session. I hope that is going to be better than what we have had today. Of course, it's going to be better because I won't be alone facilitating the session. So thank you very much for your patience and for bearing with me in spite of the connectivity issues. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now.
There is no link, right?
There is no link shared, please. The link didn't come.
Okay. The link didn't come. Let me share the link again. Sorry. Let me share the link again. All the links that I've shared, I'll share with you again. I've shared it again just now. Okay. Let me share the link for Telegram that I talked about. Okay, that's the link for Telegram that I talked about. I hope you're able to see. I'm sorry. Okay, just the survey, the query you're going to be receiving concerning the situation analysis. All right. And thanks again. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for bearing with me in spite of the and we'll see you tomorrow. Respond to that content, you can change it on Telegram, and then we'll be there to respond to you the support that you need. And bye.
Bye-bye.